champs. How are you? Fine? Good. I am receiving your videos. I am receiving your photos. Very good. You all are doing good job. Keep doing it. Keep completing your homework. Okay. So, shall we start our day with a prayer song? Today's prayer is conducted by Master John Hansel.
Hey, let's say a little prayer before we start our day. Let us thank God for the lovely things He has given us. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So high, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Let us sing it again for all that He has given us. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So high, you can't get over it. So deep, you can't get under it. So wide, you can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Thank you, wonderful Lord.
Okay, very good John Hansel. I want rest of you also to sing the prayer song, recite the prayer song and send the video, and when you are doing the prayer, be in a proper uniform and do it properly. Okay, it's a prayer, you should do it nicely. Fine. So, okay, take out your Hindi book. In Hindi, we have learned till ang se angur, ah se ha ha ha, right? Swarg or viswarg we have done, right? Anuswarg, swarg, anuswarg or viswarg. Okay, so today we are gonna start with Vyanjan that starts with letter K. K, as we have in English K. Yes, in Hindi we have got K. Okay, K se kalam. K se kalam. Say loudly. K se kalam. Fine. So, before you start with K se kalam, I want you to once go through all A to Aha. If possible, take out your book. Any notebook you can take out. You have got English and math notebooks, right? At the middle of the book or at the end of the book. Try to practice these letters. Okay? A to Aha. At least once you try to write, it will improve your fine motor skills also. Then we will start with K. Okay? Once you finish this, then read this K se kalam. Fine? Okay, take out your Telugu book. Even in Telugu, we have done Achulu. You remember? We have done Achulu, we have done with Ubhaya Aksharalu also. So, today we are gonna start with Hallulu and it starts with letter K. In Hindi, we started with K. In Telugu also, we will go with K. What can you see in the image? What is this? Kappa, right? Yeah. K, kappa. Yes, K, kappa. K, kanki. K, kalam. Kalam. K, kadava. K, kanda. K, kavi. Fine. I want you to repeat this ka letter words. Okay. Before repeating this ka letter words, even in Telugu, you just try to roughly write these letters so that it will improve your fine motor skills, and also you will know the sequence. How we have in English A, B, C, D, we know the sequence. Even if we are in deep sleep, if somebody asks us A to Z, we can say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, right? Even in Telugu, these letters you should be perfect. A, I, E, U, Rishi, A, I, O, Aha. Like that you should be perfect. So once you practice it, fine, then you start with Ka, Kappa. Okay. Now take out your math workbook. See, last time you have done till number 10, right? You were tracing number 9 and 10, right? Now take out page number 22. You have to do this matching. Once you have done with this matching, in your notebook, write 1 to 10 numbers 5 times. Neatly you have to write. Tell Mama to record. Once you have done with writing 1 to 10, in one page, that is individually, write number 1 and stick one picture. You can stick anything. You can stick grains. You can stick colorful papers. You can stick stickers of Mama, bindis. Yes. You can stick kundans. You can stick anything, whereas you can close the book. Fine. So stick something, the number counting, like 1, 1 bindi, 2, 2 bindis, or serals or pulses you can use. Till 10 you have to stick like that. You can use the same images or same pictures, same material. You can use different also. It's up to you. Stick it in one page, 2 numbers. 1, 1 sticker. 2, 2 stickers. Then turn the page. 3, 3 things. 4, 4 things. Like that. You make it and share me the video. Fine. Okay, take out your EVS course book. Last time we have learnt about birds. Remember? We have learnt about few birds. Once again, I will revise this. Okay, repeat with me. Peacock, eagle, duck, pigeon. Then we have got owl, hen, parrot, crow, swan. I am sure you might be having a chart in your bedroom of birds, or else you might be having a picture book in which you can find different birds. Yes, search that book. If you have a chart, well and good, stand there and read different birds apart from this. And if you have any old book with birds and all, take out that, stand in front of camera, same, and we have got few more birds and read loudly the bird names. Fine. Let's see what we have in our EVS workbook related to birds. See, last time in your EVS workbook, last time you have colored parrot. Yes? Yes or no? But I didn't get any coloring page of this. None of you shared. Color it and share. After this, I want you to join these dots and color these pictures. And in page number 22, you have got a puzzle. You have to find the outlet. Okay? Go into this and find the outlet. Okay? Yeah, in English, we have learnt, as I said, we have completed 13 letters A to M. You have done the activities, you have done the matching, you have done everything perfectly. Now I want you to write in your notebook A to E neatly, and not A to E, A to M. Okay, A to M neatly. Share me the video. Once you are perfect in writing A to M, then we will go with next letter. Once you finish the writing, stand in front of the camera. Don't hold the book. Just stand. Mama will be questioning you. A for, you have to say three pictures. Like A for apricot, A for apron, A for alligator. If she says B for, you have to say 3. B for balloon, B for bag, B says banana. Like this. With each letter you have to say 3 loudly, perfectly. Then till M you have to do that. Then we will go with the N letter. Okay. Yeah, in EVS we have done babies, right? animals and its babies. So even in coloring, I want you to color page number 25. There's a small puppy inside. Yes, you have to grid art. You have to. Do you want to draw a picture like this? Use the square and draw it. See, by the squares you have to draw. Try to draw. If not, mummy will help you. And you have to draw and you have to color this. Fine. Complete this. Share me your photos, share me your videos so that I can upload your videos in your playlist. Photos I can give you a star and smiley. So kiddos, you have got homework in all the subjects. Do your homework. Do as many practicals as you can do. Okay. Do your workbook work, do your course book work, do your notebook work. Okay. And you need to concentrate on languages. Not only in Telugu, you have to concentrate on Hindi language also. Tell mama to record a video and share it with me. Meanwhile, stay home, stay safe. Love you all. Take care. Bye-bye. See you soon.